Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Work English. Do this. That is a bit direct. How can I say it politely? Could you do this? Could you do this? Check this. That sounds a bit strong. What sounds natural? Could you check this? Could you check this? Send this. That sounds blunt. What should I say? Could you send this? Could you send this? Do it fast. That sounds a bit harsh. What is more natural? Could you do this quickly? Could you do this quickly? Do it today. That is a bit direct. What should I say instead? Could you finish this today? Could you finish this today? I cannot do it. That sounds a bit harsh. What sounds natural? That might be difficult. That might be difficult. Impossible. That sounds a bit strong. How should I say it? That would be difficult. That would be difficult. I do not know. That sounds a bit cold. What do people usually say? Let me check. Let me check. I do it later. That is a bit unclear. What is a better way? I will handle it later. I will handle it later. How about this? That is too casual. What sounds natural? What do you think? What do you think? We use this. That is a bit direct. What should I say instead? Let us use this. Let us use this. This is good. That sounds a bit vague. What is more natural? I think this is good. I think this is good. Talk later. That is too casual. How can I say it politely? Let us talk later. Let us talk later. No problem. That sounds a bit casual. What do people usually say? There is no problem. There is no problem. I checked. That is a bit unclear. What should I say? I have checked. I have checked. I think this is good. I think this is good. Let us talk later. Let us talk later. There is no problem. There is no problem. I have checked. I have checked. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.